when you're in Microsoft Word, there's an awful lot of information on the screen. But there are times that you just need to focus on the content for whatever reason. Well, the good news is Microsoft has got you covered. Let me show you the view that can make life a bit easier. So here I am in a Word document. I am in Microsoft Word on the desktop. And as you can see, I've got the full ribbon, loads of information going on, loads of things around it. But there's a couple of views. So if you want to go through the full option, there is the View tab on the ribbon, which gives you the views. But if you've been using Word for any length of time, then you should know about the views, the view buttons in the bottom right-hand corner next to the zoom slider. So the middle one is the one that we're usually on. That is the print layout, which lets you basically see it kind of how it's going to be printed. The one to the left is the one I want to show you today, which is the read mode. So it's a little open booklet, or as you can see, it's the first option on the ribbon. As soon as you click on read mode, you can see it actually makes everything a lot larger and takes away all of the fuss around the screen itself. Moving around, you've got a couple of different ways to do it. You can use the arrows on your keyboard, so that's the down arrow. You can go left, you can go right. If you prefer to use the mouse, you can see they're shadowy, but there are arrows on both the left and the right-hand side. The left one on my screen is grayed out because it's the beginning of the document. And as I click on the arrow, you can see it moves me page by page. And again, I can go back to the right. You may think, well, that's great. I can just read everything, but what if I need to do anything? That really depends on what you need to do. If you need to do sort of, quote, big editing, some of the layouts or any of that, then I would recommend go back to the print view, which again, you can see that you've still got the view buttons in the bottom right corner. You'll notice that we've also got 3 menu options in the top left corner. So File takes you into the File Backstage view, same as normal. This won't switch off the view, so when you click on the arrow and come out, it does return you back to the read view that you're in. We've then got tools. You can see quite limited, but at least we've got undo and redo when you've done something. And you can see under view, you can edit the document, which switches back to the main screen. You've then got the navigation pane, which if you're a large document can be quite useful to help you navigate around. And you can see we've got other bits and pieces. Now, the other thing that I think's well worth mentioning is actually focus. So there is a focus mode here, but you'll also see there is a button in the top right hand corner, and we've got focus in the bottom right hand corner with the other view. So as you click on focus, it actually then allows you to completely get rid of everything. I can still move around and read through everything as I need to, but you'll notice that I have no other options. To come out of this, you can press escape, and that takes you out of the focus. If I nip back into it, you'll also see that we've got the button at the top to return us back. Although it calls it auto hide, it basically is the focus button anyway. If you want to get out of it completely, then I can click on view, return to edit, and I'm back there, although apparently I've still got my focus on. So let's switch the focus off. I just click the button in the bottom, which returns me back to my normal view. If you're actively working on a document, it's not going to be that useful to use the read mode, but it does have a use, especially when you need to focus to read the document properly. I'm Michelle, a Microsoft 365 trainer, here to make life a bit easier with tips and tricks around your productivity software. Remember to hit the like button, and to be told as more tips and tricks videos are released, then subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.